So here we go, we are live. Hello, good morning, and today is 23rd of December. I think it's the last trading day for the London session. We might still trade New York session tomorrow and today as well. And we will see you after Christmas again. So we have 3 minutes for the market to open. Actually, yesterday was just range day. We took a long, I think for some 65 points, but it bounced back and stopped out for nothing, plus maybe $20 loss. We recovered that on London session, and after I think the reset, I took another trade for gold short. I got few points and I call it a day. I was not live trading. And now we are going to trade the DAX. We are seated here in this level. Price try to push back from this shoulder here and just bounce back again to the same high. So we might see a little bit at the opening some push to the downside and maybe a visit or some closing high for today, but let's just see how the market will open and we will decide. This is actually a rally yesterday from the US session. Recovers all the loss from the London session, like 150 points. It was recovered and now the price is sitting high again. So hopefully we can, after the open, we can get some long entry here. 32 points, it's a little bit quiet, so let's prepare just the size. I will maybe go 1.5 contract. Yeah, a few more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's see where is the closing of yesterday. Actually, we closed somewhere here and the price is still doing nothing, still at the close of yesterday. It managed to go a little bit high, 30 points, bounce back. We might experience some really low volatility. This is the last day of the week for the London trading. I think tomorrow people will start taking holiday. So let's wait for the first 5 minutes to close and maybe we will jump in. Either long or short, still not yet, but I prefer to go long because we see some strength yesterday at the open. So hopefully the same scenario will repeat for today. But I will be very quickly taking profits because there will be no trend. I think the market will just chop around and I don't want to get caught in some situation like yesterday and give back all the profit to the market. So we will be fast taking whatever the market gives us. points to the high of yesterday. Like here. Okay, we have still 2 minutes and a half for this 5 minutes to close. And I really can't see any participation. Price is barely moving at exact same points, same price. Daily chart, you can see yesterday it was very tiny bar. End of the year, the bars are getting really tiny. Points here we have. I can see some strength going to the closing of this 5 minute. Stock will be around 24 points. Actually, the price went just maybe 1 point below the low of today, which is around 24 to 76. And it went up like 27 points. It was good. Okay, we have 15 seconds for this 5 minutes to close. We really can see some good movement. We will be a buyer in this pullback. Hopefully I will get some nice price. I want to see what the FTSE is doing actually. Let's slide it on my good rejection. I think it will be a continuation. So hopefully the same scenario with the DAX. Okay, there's a new high from the first 5 minutes. Oh, not so fast. Thinking I will just go half contract. I mean half my size for now. I might add if the price goes back again or if the price goes higher. Just have one entry here. This session will be a little bit slow motion. Let's get my take profit somewhere here. Loss, just protection will be somewhere here. Actually, the size is really tiny. Less than a contract, and you will be comfortable to trade. Let the price just move wherever you want to. If I see some push above here, maybe I will add another little bit, like the same size. And it will be a little bit boring because, as we said, it's the December and it's the last day, I think, of trading in Europe. I think tomorrow the public holiday will start it. We have almost 1 minute for the second 5 minutes to close. You can see the last few seconds was nice push. So hopefully we can see some positive closing above this level. Seconds to go. I think there are no buyers nor sellers. We'll give it like 15 minutes, 30 minutes maximum. If there is no really some real moves, then we'll just call it a day and come back New York session. It feels like the price is moving in slow motion. It's annoying. There's no volatility at all. And actually the volume is shrinking faster than it's supposed to. Our take profit is just, I think, 23 points or something like that. 26 points. That will be enough for this session, I think. In case we hate it, actually. We don't know if the price will just crumble down and we just went above the high again, like 1 point. Let's see 2 points and bounce back again. There's a nice move actually in the FTSE. At least moves like 20 points. But the DAX is still doing nothing. I think just in case the DAX was not really moving well, I might trade gold for a few points, I think, and the gold might have a little bit of movement. It's sitting actually in all-time high. Today there was a record high, I think, around 4,500 almost. So we might revisit that levels. Okay, I think the first 15 minutes is closing right now. 30 seconds. I wish we can see some follow-up for some positive closing. Even the spread is getting high at the end of the year because of low liquidity. Hopefully we can see some hard push to the upside. I think I have no time to add to this position. It will not make any sense if I add right now. We'll be just paying the broker. I hope the same scenario of yesterday will not repeat, which is like 4 points from our take profit. This is 3 points, so it will be disaster. Yeah, hopefully we can just get to the same high of yesterday actually. Let's move my stop loss to break even. Let's watch and see. Try to add right now. This add-on will have a few points as well. Yeah, just last push. It's like 1 more minute for this 5 minute to close. Hopefully it will just tap to this high. $24,340. We have 30 seconds for this 5 minute to close. Excuse me. Actually, if there is some manipulation, the price should go above this level here to grab some liquidity if someone really want to fill up his orders or whatever. Because most of the shorts, we will have some orders laying here up. And there is really low liquidity that is easy to be manipulated. Just few big orders might move the price wherever they want to. Our positions are going underwater. Not much, but it's okay. It's small. Actually, since the open, from the low, price moves already like 50 points. Hopefully it will not give up. That's another maybe 10 points. It will be enough for us for today. I mean for this session. So there's one last push. Hit the tip B and we'll call it a day. And we'll see you again in London session, in New York session. Actually, we are almost there. Six point more. 5, one more push, please. It's really annoying when you see the price goes to your take profit and miss it with like 2 points. It's really annoying. Excuse me. I had some bad cough. Oh, it's almost touched. And I really hate to move my take profit. It's not good practice, but sometimes with this market conditions, much better to take what the market gives you. So hopefully we can see some quick push up and actually if the price goes back to this high level, it's not giving me a chance actually to close. It's bounced against me again. Let's have a look at the FTSE. FTSE has a little bit of pullback because the rally was a little bit sharp. Yeah, just one more last push, so we can call it. What the hell? What a weakness, what slow motion market. At least you should get to the previous highs, you're almost there. I think same scenario of yesterday will be repeating itself. Or we just need to be patient, maybe just need time, testing our patience actually. 2 points. Actually, I'm not asking for 50 points, it's only 2 points, bro. He didn't let me go. I start feeling bored. I really don't like to see these three tops here. This candle should really close up. We have 2 more minutes for the first 30 minutes to close. Let's have a look at the 15 minutes. Yes, one more push. That's what we need. One more, one more, one more. Have 30 seconds. For these 30 minutes to close. Looks positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green candles. All of them failed to tap our take profit. I will be thinking just to manually close it. Done. I cannot wait anymore. Then now the price will go skyrocket all the way up. That's what we said. Actually, we left only maybe half point in the table. It's okay. So now the price can go wherever I want to go. So we just took 2 trades, or let's say 1, and I added, and we make 30. It's almost like 31%. Sorry, $31, which is around maybe 5% from the target. And we'll see you again in the evening or in the afternoon, depends where we are and where you are. So we will trade New York session, and thank you for watching. I will see you again.